What's up, hockey card fans, and welcome back to another hockey card opening video here on the channel. So yeah, last time you guys saw, we already freaking got the best young gun you can get in Upper Deck Series 1 right now. We got Alexis Lafreniere, we got his young gun right there. Nice corners, nothing crazy messed up with it or anything like that. We got a sharp cornered young gun right there, and probably, you know, the better one you can get. There's also a couple versions of this too. You can get the French version one, of course, and you can also get like the acetate version. If you got those, you are seriously super lucky because those are worth even more. But I'm happy that I even just got this in 2 hobby boxes. But what we have today, let me go ahead and put him back in the background right there again. And sorry, Quinn, let me put you back there. What we have today here is we have a retail box this time of Upper Deck Series 1 right here. And now there has been a bunch of Black Friday sales on certain boxes and whatnot this past week. And I went ahead and picked up myself a little retail box because it was on sale for a lot cheaper. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and tear into this guy pretty soon here, and we'll see what we get out of just a retail box. Alright, you guys, so if you haven't seen my other Series 1 videos, make sure you guys go ahead and click up here, and you'll, or video, not videos, but there's just one that I did. I actually made 2 videos, but one got screwed up, so I combined them into one. Anyway, you'll learn about it if you watch the video. But what we're gonna do today, like I said, we're gonna open up this retail box right here. The stuff that we can pull out of this should be exactly the same as what you can get basically in the hobby box without the hobby exclusives like the acetate cards and all that kind of stuff. But let me read the odds real quick and show you guys real quick here on the camera and see if there's any differences. There you go, if you guys want to read that. So basically with young guns, it looks like there's still 1 in 4 in this, so we should still be getting 6 of them if you do math, because there is, in this box right here, we got 8 cards per pack, 24 packs per box. Alright, you guys, so now that we have the packs out right here, let me show you guys what the pack looks like. This is what the retail version looks like versus the hobby, if you guys saw me open that. So there we go. We're gonna go ahead and just start taking these guys out and getting them open here, and let's see if we can pull ourselves another really cool card. And I'm probably gonna go pretty fast. I'm not gonna really go through the base. I'm just gonna pull out the insert so we can make this quick. So here we go. First pack. All right, oh, my hands are a little, I feel like a little slippery this time. Here we go. All right. What do we got here? Here we go. Let's go through some base right here. There you go. More Selly cards. I love it. Oh, in our first pack, we got a jersey card of Matt Dumba right there on the Minnesota Wild. Nice. Green patch right there. There you go. Matt Dumba. Jersey. There you go. Cool. Keep going. John Carlson. Nice. There we go. Next pack. So let's see what we got here. Let's keep going. Oh, and we got an insert still. We got a Nikita Kucherov portraits. There you go. There's the cool 80s themed portraits. Yeah, I like these. These are pretty cool, actually. So there you go. Nikita Kucherov. All right. And Marchie, Duncan Keith, and Vincent Trocheck. Next pack. I'm curious to see if, you know, there's any, you know, any reason to do retail over hobby. Probably not. Hobby usually has the better stuff in it, but, you know, that's a cool picture of Nick Dowd. Nylander, did we get a base pack? I think we did. Just as I was saying that, I don't see any French variation there. Yep, all base pack. That sucks. All right, well, next. Oh, there's Ovi. Ooh, nice. I like that picture. Freaking taking a clapper. Nice, good picture of Ovi. Let me put the base pile over here real quick. Okay, here we go. Nikita Gusev. I have the acetate version of that card. There you go. There's Quinn Hughes again. Already have one of those. There is Nico Koskinen the other way. Did I get another base pack? Holy crap. 2 in a row. All right. Well, I can see from the back. We'll just pull that out. There's a checklist right there with Ovi and Pasta. That's kind of cool. All right. Let's go through here. What do we got? Oh, hey, there we go. That is a young gun to get. Michael DiPietro. Nice. That's one of the better ones to get, you guys. That is awesome. Very cool. And as you guys can see, hopefully, sharp corners. No rounded corners here. Yep, looking nice. Yep, young guns are looking good, so that's a good sign. All right, penny sleeve for that one. Or penny slipper, as my girlfriend likes to call it. She always it's super weird. Every time I say that on the video, she calls it a penny slipper. It's hilarious. Anyway, there you go. Michael DiPietro, Young Guns. Very cool. Awesome. I like that. Pavelski, Selly. There we go. Oh, we got a UD canvas of Evander Kane. I don't think I've pulled his canvas yet, so there you go. Evander Kane. Nice. Cool picture on the back. Nice. Evander Kane, UD canvas. There you go. More base, more base, more base. All right. Next back up. Elvis. Brendan Gallagher. And we got another Young Guns. All right. We got Victor Soderstrom. There you go. Young Guns right there. Nice. Okay. And yeah, sharp corners. Nothing wrong with the Young Guns. I like it. I'm getting lucky with my Young Guns. I'm getting the packs that are not messed up, apparently. They all look nice. So there you go. Victor Soderstrom Young Guns. Very cool. So there's 2. So like I said, we should still be getting 6 in this. So there you go. More base cards. More base right there. Nothing crazy. All right. Let's keep going. Let's keep going here. More base. More base. More base. And we got another Young Guns. Yo, Kiviranta. Very nice. This guy was awesome for the Dallas Stars. I really like this Young Guns. Beautiful. This is one of the ones that I wanted. So let me look at the corner. Nothing bad there. Yep. I thought I saw maybe a little ding there, but nope, nothing. Corners look nice. No rounded edges or anything like that. That's a good one. Very nice. We got Joel Kiviranta. Very nice. I think this guy's going to do awesome. So good to have that one. Very glad to have that one. All right, we got TJ Oshie and some more base. There we go. There's Jack. There we go. Carter Hat. And do we have a base pack again? Laura Zeller. I didn't see anything. This is hard to tell because the French variations, you just got to look for the French at the bottom down there. Yeah, I think it's a base pack. Yep, another base pack. So we got a couple good packs there, guys. Then we hit a base pack again. For your guys' knowledge anyway, that is one of the reasons to buy hobby over retail is just you'll find all base packs in retail sometimes, but in hobby you don't ever find that. Anyway, let's keep going. Here we go, more base. Kevin Hayes, Connor, Mark Stone, and we got another base pack. Oh, there's Kyler. Nice. And we got another Kyler Yamamoto card since, you know, he played where I'm from here. So it's always good to get a card of Kyler. Very cool. All right. More base right there. Nothing special. Let's keep going. Bernier. William Karlsson. More base, more base, more base, more base. And we got skunked with another base pack. Man, yep, this is my only thing that I really don't like this about the retail is you get a ton of base cards. So obviously right now, since you already know I opened 2 hobby packs, I don't really need base cards anymore, but like, it's fine. Maybe I'll complete the entire set because of this, who knows? I'll have to go through it and actually try to do that and put the set together. All right, Philip Deneau, Semyon Varlamov, let's see, Rocco Grimaldi, Zach Werenski, Mitch Marner, Gabriel Landeskog, Josh Morrissey. Oh my God, we got another base pack. Nope, no French in there. I didn't see anything that said French on it. There are photo variations, but I'm not seeing any of the street clothes photo variations either. So there you go, more base. All right, let's keep going here. Hopefully, let's not get a base pack. Okay, we got a portrait. Okay, we got Mr. Jack Hughes, last year's one of the top rookies there. There you go, or one of the cards you wanted to get last year. Nice, Jack Hughes, UD portraits. And then, yeah, more base, and more base. Nothing crazy there. Yep, more base. All right, cool. Let's keep going. We're still due for plenty more Young Guns cards, you guys, anyway. So, oh, okay, we got Jason Robertson for the Stars as well. This guy is supposed to actually be really good as well, so cool. UD portraits of this guy. Nice. There he is. Nice. And then Yanni Gourde, Stanley Cup champion, and I love that card. Super sick, Selly. Love it. All right, next pack. All right, here we go. There we go, Zach Hyman, blah, blah, blah. And there we go, we got another Young Guns. We got Pavel Francouz. Francouz. There you go, Young Guns. I think this might be an all right one. Maybe not, I can't remember. Can't remember if he actually played for Colorado. All right, yeah, 21 wins and 1 loss. Okay, he has a card, but he has already 2 NHL seasons. Okay. One of those weird ones. But anyway, yeah, might be one of the better ones to get. So nice. Nice, one I didn't have. Perfect. All right, let's keep going here. And yeah, cool. Patrick Hornquist. All right, next pack. Oh, we got our Dazzlers here. There we are. We got Ryan O'Reilly Dazzlers. There he is right there. Nice. There he is. The blue version, not the pink. There we are. Rhino Rally Dazzlers. I love these cards. They're really, really bright and shiny. They're fun. Okay. There we go. And more base cards. There you go. All right, guys. So, I mean, nothing super special so far. Just some good young guns. Some pretty average ones. Nothing crazy yet. But, I mean, you know, there's still plenty of packs to go. So, let's keep on ripping and keep looking. All right. You know, we're just out here for a rip, bud. All right. You gotta be kidding me. Is that a young, it's a is it a regular canvas or is it Young Guns canvas? Oh my God. Could you imagine if this was last year? This is Jack Hughes' UD canvas. If I had this last year, his rookie UD canvas, oh, that'd have been hilarious. That's awesome. All right, Jack Hughes, UD canvas, there you go. And that cool Devils uni that everyone likes. There you go. And there's Tomas Tatar, and then a couple of other guys in the base. All right, let's keep going. There we go. Let's keep going. And oh, we got the Jason Robertson UD Canvas Young Guns. That's a good one. Yep, that's a really good one to get. Nice. Not a bad pull right there. Very nice. Never a bad thing to get a UD Canvas Young Guns because those are 1 in 48 packs. So we beat the odds there. We opened one box and got it. So these are, yeah, there you go. Nice. Very cool. Jason Robertson, UD Canvas. So we got his Young Guns and we got his Canvas Young Guns. Nice. Very cool. Let's keep going here. All right. Sean Marino, Riley Smith. Boy, did we just get a base pack again? Yep. I don't see any French. Yep, no French words. Yep, base pack. Dang it. All right, Clef Bomb. We got something here. And, oh, just UD portraits of Mika Zibanejad. There you go. There he is. All right. And Zach Cassian, Kirby Doc, and Will Butcher. All right. So, oh no, actually, we still got 4 packs left. This is a thick pack. We're going to save that one. Wait, is it a thick pack? It felt thick. Maybe. Nope, they're all the same. Never mind. Let's just do it. Doesn't matter. It felt like it was thicker for some reason, but I don't think it is. All right. Oh, I think we got a Young Guns here. We do. It's not Alexi Lafreniere because I can see the colors. It is Thomas Harley? Thomas Harley. Oh, boy. No, I don't know anything about this guy. This has been a Dallas Stars box for sure. Lots of Dallas Stars Young Guns. And a Canvas Young Gun, so that's kind of cool. Don't know much about this guy, but there you go. Thomas Harley Young Guns. All right, there, Thatcher Demko. There you go. And, yeah, there's more base. All right. Let's keep looking. Let's keep looking. Am I, yep, base pack. Nothing good. All right, there we go. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. And, oh, we got Dominic Kubelik's Street Clothes UD Canvas. There you go, kicking a soccer ball. There you go. It can go with his card over here. There, nice. We got his warm-up card and we got his game card back here. Nice, cool. All right, and there we go. Ending with pasta there. All right, you guys. All right, last pack of this Series 1 retail box. Here we go. Last pack magic. Anybody feeling the magic? Let's see if I get anything good here. I don't know. Probably not. It's probably gonna be a base pack. You see. Yeah. No. Oh no, we still. Oh my God, we got another Jason Robertson. What? That is unreal. Wait, is this the same guy? Hold on a second. What is going on here? Hold on. How many of these did I get? Okay, so we got this. What? Wait a minute. Where didn't I get? Oh, okay. Maybe I got his UD Canvas too. That's what it was. Okay, we got this too. We got every Jason Robertson card. That's unreal. Okay, that's funny. All right, and then we got some more base right there. All right. Quick recap. All right, guys. So it looks like we actually beat the freaking odds here. So yeah, we got our 4 UD portraits like we're supposed to get right there. We got Mika Zibanejad, Jack Hughes, we got Jason Robertson and Nikita Kucherov. And then we also got our Dazzlers right here. We got the blue one of Ryan O'Reilly right there. And then as far as our regular UD canvases, we got 3 of them. We got Evander Kane, Jack Hughes, and Dominic Kubalik in street clothes. It's pretty cool. And we also still got a game jersey, which are not guaranteed anymore. So we still got one of those. And then for our freaking young guns, I think we did really good, you guys. We did great, actually. Let me save this for last. Actually, we got Pavel Francouz right there. That's 1. We got Thomas Harley right there. That's 2. And then we got Jason Robertson right there. 3. We got Michael DiPietro. 4. Victor Soderstrom, 5, and then Joel Kiviranta, that should be our 6th one, but we beat the odds again, and we still got a Joel Robertson Young Guns UD canvas right there too. So all in all, you guys, very solid retail box. I think, I mean, you can't really ask for more out of a retail box right there. Very happy with that. So really good value in a box such as that. So if you guys enjoyed looking at this, make sure you guys give the video a like, and if you guys want to see more of my content that I do here on the channel, including more breaks like this, make sure you guys get subscribed with those notifications on, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.